Okay, so you will first set your tension to 14. Whatever tension it arrived at, please set it to tension 14 before you start this process. Then you will go ahead and place the end of that tension control knob, place it down, up, and in. Then you will go ahead and start turning the tension control knob to the lower tension. The clip will fall out of place. That is normal. Once you have done that, your tension control knob has been installed to your tension control cable. Once you have done so, you will go ahead and continue the installation to your front post. It is a little difficult. Then you will go ahead and reinstall the screw that came pre-assembled to the tension control knob. First, you will go ahead and connect the sensor wire. Then you will go ahead and assemble the 2 batteries that are included. Place the backing back on. And then the 4 screws that were already pre-installed, you will go ahead and screw those back on. Once the screws are screwed on, you will go ahead and tighten them with the tool provided.